campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Keystone Montana 3231CK. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment to tell us what you want to see next. Now, let's get started. In the outdoor entertainment space, we do have two awnings and LED strips attached to both of those awnings to keep things nice and bright out here. And you also do have indoor-outdoor speaker system, so you can listen to your music both inside the camper and out here in your party space. Now, check out your storage. In the front of your Montana, you do have this massive pass-through storage space. As y'all can see, I'm sitting down here and I have a ton of room right on every side of me. Down here, we also do have a couple lights, electrical outlets, a road vac, and you also do have your battery disconnect. And over on that side, you do have your convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. And one other cool thing about this space, they have given you an easy to clean out floor. So if things get dirty while they're outside, it's gonna be very easy to clean things up down here. Now, check out the inside. When you first walk in, over by your entryway, we do have a couple things I did want to point out. Down here, you do have your Lippert screen defender. This is just an added little safety feature. So if you have some little kids and your screen door is closed, they're not gonna fall through that because it is very reinforced. Or if you have some dogs and they like to scratch, they're not gonna be able to fall through that, and it's also gonna protect your door. We also do have this nice sturdy handle right here, so if anybody with mobility issues are getting in or out of the camper, they can grab a hold of that. And you also do have another one right here as well that can help them get up those stairs. Also a thing, up our stairs and to the right is our control panel, and that's where you're going to control all your lights, awnings, and your slides. And you also do have another main light switch here as well, so that's nice. And you also do have some added storage down below. Let me get by that. It's just an added little storage spot, and there is a couple hooks in there so you can put your jackets, purses, and your keys right there, right by your door, which is awesome. Now, check out your kitchen. In our kitchen, we're gonna start with our fridge. This is a super nice fridge. It does have double doors, giving you tons of space for all your groceries. And you also do have a freezer drawer. So this comes out, giving you plenty of room for all of your frozen items, including your ice cream. One of my favorite things about this camper is they've given you tons of countertop space. So over here, you have this nice large countertop, perfect to have a buffet style dinner. And they've also included this little feature over here. So this comes up giving you a ton of electrical outlets and a USB and USB-C port. So you can plug in an air fryer or your phone over in this area if you want to. We also do have this nice size microwave giving you tons of room to cook. And we also do have one unique feature up here. So you move that up and it says spices. So you do have this spice drawer, and it does come down at an angle so you can easily see all those spices and grab what you want. We also have a lot more storage over here. Over on this left-hand side, they've given you this cabinet right here. And down below, you have two large cabinets that also have some drawers in there, so you can pull those out and see what all items you have. Now, let's check out the island. Above our island, we do have this nice lighting feature. This is just a cool little, I would say, modern light feature to make it look a little bit more homey in here. Now let's check out this gorgeous island. On both sides, we do have electrical outlets. So if you do want to set something up here and plug it in, or just use it for your phone chargers, you can do that. And this also does have rounded corners. So if your hip is at that height like mine is, you're not gonna bump that sharp corner. Or if you have some kids running around and they happen to bump their head right there, it's not gonna hurt as bad. Also up here, we do have a tons of countertop space, and you do have your sink with a retractable sink nozzle. And they've even given you these nice little things to put in your sink if you just want to use this as a huge countertop space. And these are super nice quality, by the way, and they match up perfectly. On this side, we do have tons of storage. You have a drawer on both sides, and you have some added storage underneath. Perfect to throw a little trash can in or to put lots of cleaning supplies. Now, let's check out the best part of the kitchen. This unit is called a CK, which stands for Chef's Kitchen, meaning this kitchen is perfect for the chef in your family. So let's check it out. Over here, we do have tons of countertop space with electrical outlets on both sides. So if you want to have a coffee maker or an air fryer over here, it'll be a good area to do that. We also do have some storage on both sides with kind of a see-through panel, so you can see your dishes in there. And there's also a secret space for storage, which is right in here. This opens up, giving you 2 large spaces to store stuff. I would probably put my pots and pans in here so you can easily grab it down and cook some things. That closes back super easily, and you do have your oven and your stovetop right here. This is your 3-burner stovetop with that splash guard. Underneath that, we do have our oven and an extra storage drawer. You do have some more storage on the left-hand side, and check this out. This is super cool. We do have 3 drawers over here, and this actually is an added countertop space, so you can pull that out. This is the great area to put your vegetables or your steaks on. You can cut that up right here and then come over here and cook your items. Now, check out your dinette. Across from your island and one of your sides of this Montana, we do have our dinette. Right now we do have 2 chairs standing up here, but there is a couple more stored away in the front of this unit. This is the perfect space to eat dinner as a family. You have tons of room, and I like how you have this added little space up here. You can put your utensils up there, your drinks, or your salt and pepper. And one cool thing about this, if you do have a couple extra people at the campground with you, this actually does have an extension. So you open this up, pull these little legs out, and this extends out, giving you a little bit more space to eat your dinner at. And you also do have a couple windows right here as well, so you're gonna be able to see all those gorgeous campground views while you're eating dinner. Now, check out your living space. Right next to your dinette is your theater seats. Right here we do have a couple cup holders to put your drinks in, and there actually is some storage right here as well. It's pretty deep storage, so you can definitely throw a book or a tablet in there. On both sides as well, you do have some settings, some reclining settings, and a heat setting, so you can warm these seats up. And there also are USB ports as well, so you can plug in your phone. And like I said, these do recline, and they're made specifically for campers, so you don't have to worry about hitting that window behind you. And you also do have a light switch right here, as well as a dimmer switch, so if you are watching a movie or something, and you want a little bit less lighting, you can control that right there. Now let's move over here and check out our other couch. In the back of this Montana, we do have another couch, and if you have some extra people at the campground with you and they need a place to sleep, this actually does roll over into a bed. We do have some little areas to set your drinks on right here, and it does have an electrical outlet and 2 USB ports on both sides. Over there you do have a couple light switches to control these lights. Tons of windows over here, and up top we have some storage. That's a perfect place to put some extra blankets, or if somebody is staying the night, they can put their bags up there. Right beside me, we do have our entertainment space. They've given you this large TV, and there actually is some secret storage behind there, so you can put your gaming consoles, DVDs, video games, anything you want back there. We also do have some overhead storage. This is very large. You can stack tons of video games up here, or board games, puzzles, other stuff you want in your living space. We also do have this open little storage area right here. You have a JBL speaker that controls the speakers inside and outside. And underneath that, we do have our fireplace. This does work to heat up the camper in those cold winter months, or if it's summer and you just want that as an extra little light setting, it works for that too. Now, check out the bathroom. Our bathroom is located in our hallway, and this is probably one of my favorite bathrooms I've seen in a Montana. Starting out on this side, we do have our mirror right here. Super nice, and below that we do have these sinks. These sinks are so fun. I love the way they look. They just add a little bit of personality in here. We have tons of countertop space, and you have some storage right here in the middle for all of your toiletries. On the other side, we do have an electrical outlet, and you do have a sink that matches that other one with the same mirror over here. You do have some things for some hanging towels on both sides, and down below we have tons and tons of storage. This opens up, giving you some storage underneath those sinks, and on this side you do have your toilet paper roll holder right beside of your toilet. In the middle, we do have a couple of drawers to put all of your soaps in and extra items. If you do want to roll up some hand towels, you can put them right there as well. Behind me, we do have our step to flush toilet, and this thing is porcelain. It is very nice. You do have a window in here as well. And behind me is probably our best part, which is this shower. This shower is very large. You do have some natural lighting in here as well. You have a detachable shower head and lots of storage on both sides to put all of your soaps and your shampoo and conditioner. And we also do have some more storage in here. Behind that door, we have these 3 cabinets that open up, giving you tons of space to put all of your towels, so you can easily reach in here and grab your towel before you get out of the shower. Now, check out the private bedroom. In the front of your Montana, you do have your private bedroom with a king size bed. And back here, you do have a couple nice add-ons. They've given you a couple shelves so you can have all your necessities right by the bed, like your reading glasses and your CPAP machine. On both sides, we do have electrical outlets, and you do have 2 USB ports so you can plug your phones in and set them right on that shelf. We do have a couple windows back here as well, and the best part of this bedroom is all the storage. So I'm gonna move over here and show it to you guys. Right here, we do have this massive closet. You do have a mirror on this side so you can see yourself while you're getting ready. You do have some lights in there and a hanging bar for all your clothes, as well as a couple of shelves to put your bags and your shoes on. And they've even given you a hamper. It pulls down right here so you can throw all of your dirty clothes in there. You also do have another closet right here. This has a hanging bar in it, or it also is washer dryer prepped. So when you purchase this, you can add on a washer and dryer. And there's those extra chairs I was telling y'all about for your dinette. Over here, we do have our TV, so you can watch TV while you're in bed at night, and you do have this nice little tabletop right here if you want to set some jewelry on it, or you can use this as a vanity area. You also do have this window right here for some natural lighting. Down below that, you do have 6 drawers, so this is the perfect area to fold up all your socks and underwear, or you can put your pajamas in here, kind of whatever you want. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call or visit us on online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.